Cushing Group, founded in 2006, located in Hefei City, Anhui Province, which is Chinese science and tech education base, set in National, Economic and Technological Development Zone, covering an 2,500 square meters with a construction area of 10,000 square meters and with convenient transport access. We are a high-tech enterprise which integrates R&D, manufacturing, sale, maintenance, and after-service, and specialized in CNC router machine, cutting plotter for 15 years. Our CNC machine widely used in stone industry, jade industry, decoration, signage, craft gifts and mold, education and training, cabinets and other industries. Dedicated to strict QC and thoughtful customer service, our experienced staff are always available to match your need. Recent years, our company has developed advanced equipment. We have obtained certificates of CE Rose. Our products are selling well in domestic marketing, also exported to many countries and regions as Southeast Asia, Middle East, Australia, European, United States, Africa, and South America, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We aim to provide our customers well-deserved products and competitive price with professional service before and after sales and become a core competitive and well-deserved reputation of manufacture around the world.